What's up, YouTube? Today I'll be unboxing a fire alarm lot that I got from Prism himself. Alright, here we go on to the unboxing. Okay, do the other side. And now go straight down the middle. Let's start with his PLS series switch. See? It's a little switch. Yes, 24 volts DC. Nice stuff. Now let's get to the goodies. So right here, and as you can tell, it is a Simplex 2901 9833. As you can see. Nice. Now for the last item. The last one is a 4251-20. Nice stuff. Now on to the testing. Let's do a side-by-side comparison of my 4251-20 and Prism's. This one is a little bit yellowed, while this one is perfect. Alright, on to the testing. Forgot to mention, I also asked him to put a power label on top of the LED. Very bright LED. Let's do the switch first. So as you can see, the LED is very bright. I wired up the LED to the power on the coder, so that when it obviously gets power, it turns on. You see the switch once again? Now let's try the 4251-20. Here we go. A huge thank you to Prism for getting me this stuff. For selling it on eBay.